The first thing I did as part of the grass seeding process was sweeping the old grass, leaves and any debris. I had to go over the same area several times, but eventually everything was swept away. The grass sweeper allows disposing of the content in a breeze. I finally loaded everything onto my trailer and got rid of the content in a designated recycle area. Now to the assembly of the sweeper and then the spreader. It took 2 bags with a setting of 8 on the spreader to cover my area. Each bag supposed to cover 3000 square feet, and although I thought that 1 would be enough, I ended up using 2. Since each bag is around $150, it's possible that whoever is seeding your grass will use setting 2 or maybe even lower on the spreader to save costs, so be aware. This is how setting 8 after a single pass looks like. You can see that there are a lot of seeds. Then I gave it 3 to 4 weeks with the rain once in every 2 days or so and without me mowing the grass at all, and I'm pretty happy with the result. Time taken, around 1 day, then wait. Cost for materials around $300. Cost for tools and materials including the trailer are about $6,000. Thanks to my mother-in-law for mowing the lawn, and thank you guys for watching.